we move into the third quarter of 2024, let's dive into what the experts say you should expect for home prices, mortgage rates, and home sales. We're also going to touch on specific details about the Panhandle and Emerald Coast markets to make sure this is more relevant for those of you looking to buy or sell along our beautiful Florida Emerald Coast. Hey, it's Mark here with the Hiller Group, brokered by eXp Realty. My team and I have you covered here along the beautiful Florida Panhandle from Pensacola all the way through Panama City, where our team has been fortunate enough to serve over 1,350 families in the past 10 years alone. First up, home prices. Experts forecast that home prices will rise at a more normal pace for the remainder of the year. According to Jessica Louts, Deputy Chief Economist at the National Association of Realtors, she states one thing that seems to be pretty solid is that home prices are going to continue to go up. And the reason that we're seeing this is because of the lack of inventory. Even though inventory is higher compared to the last couple of years, it's still low overall. This shortage keeps upward pressure on pricing. For buyers, the good news is you won't face the skyrocketing prices we saw during the pandemic. Prices are expected to continue to climb, but at a much slower rate. So getting into the market sooner rather than later could still save you money in the long run. Plus, experts say that your home will grow in value after you buy it, offering a solid investment opportunity. Now let's talk about the Panhandle and Emerald Coast specifically. These areas have seen significant growth over the past few years. The demand for coastal properties remains high, particularly in towns like Destin, Panama City Beach, and Pensacola. The unique blend of beautiful beaches, a relaxed lifestyle, and relatively affordable prices compared to other coastal regions make this area attractive for both buyers as well as investors. One thing to note is that waterfront properties here are especially in demand. If you're considering buying or selling a beachfront home, expect higher competition and potentially higher prices. However, these properties often appreciate well, making them a very lucrative investment. Next, let's talk mortgage rates. One of the best pieces of news for both buyers and sellers is that mortgage rates are expected to continue to come down just a bit by the end of the year. According to Fannie Mae and the Mortgage Brokers Association, the MBA, and NAR, the National Association of Realtors, even a small drop in mortgage rates can make a big difference in your monthly payment. For sellers, lower rates will bring back more buyers into the market, helping you sell your home faster and potentially at a higher price. It may also help you get off the fence if you've been hesitant about selling your home because you don't want to take on that higher interest rate on the home you purchase. In the Panhandle and Emerald Coast markets, lower mortgage rates could significantly impact the market. Given the popularity of the area and region for both primary and vacation as well as investment properties, more favorable rates could lead to a surge in demand. This could mean quicker sales, potentially higher prices for the sellers. For buyers, especially those looking for vacation homes or investment properties, this is the golden opportunity. Lower rates mean lower monthly payments, making it easier to afford that dream beach house. For 2024, the number of home sales expected is to be about the same as last year, possibly a little bit higher. The average of the three forecasts from Fannie Mae, MBA, and NAR is about 5 million sales in 2024. This is a small increase from 2023. Lawrence Young, the chief economist at NAR, explains why. Job gains, steady mortgage rates, and the release of inventory from pent-up home sellers will lead to more sales. Looking specifically at the local Panhandle and Emerald Coast market, we expect these trends to hold true as well. Job growth in nearby cities and an influx of remote workers seeking a better quality of life by the coast will continue to drive the market. Additionally, the region's appeal as a vacation destination will keep the market active, especially for those to look to invest in rental properties. It's also essential to consider local regulations, especially for beachfront properties. New laws regarding owning a home on the Gulf and the waterline along the Emerald Coast can impact your buying and selling decisions. Understanding the rules and regulations about beachfront ownership is crucial. These regulations can affect everything from property taxes to insurance, as well as maintenance costs. Here are some tips for all of you buyers out there. Number one, act quickly. With prices expected to rise moderately and mortgage rates forecasted to drop slightly, acting sooner rather than later is going to save you money. Number two, research local regulations. Especially if you're eyeing beachfront properties, make sure you understand the local laws as well as the regulations. Number three, consider the future value. Properties in the Panhandle and along the Emerald Coast often appreciate very well. Think long term about your investment. For all you sellers out there, number one, you must capitalize on the demand. With inventory still low overall, now might be a good time to list your property, especially if it's in a high demand area like the beachfront. Number two, market strategically. Highlight the unique features of your property and the lifestyle benefits of living along the Emerald Coast. Number three, work with a local expert realtor who knows the local market and can help you navigate the selling process more efficiently and get the best price for your property. As we move through 2024, staying informed about the market trends and local conditions is crucial for making the best real estate decisions. Whether you're looking to buy or sell along the Panhandle or Emerald Coast, the forecast suggests a stable, promising market. Let's work together to make sure that you're positioned for success. If you have any questions or need any personalized advice, please feel free to reach out. Hit the like and subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next one.